Welcome back to our Principle of Business class. In today's lesson, we'll be talking about a partnership or a partnership business. So, do you guys know what is a partnership or what is a partnership business? A partnership may be defined as a legal agreement between 2 and up to 20 individuals who undertake to form themselves into a business unit with a common view of making a profit. So basically, a partnership is a business that is started up by 2 and up to 20 individuals, and they have a common goal of making a profit. Now, there is something called the deed of a partnership, or the terms that are laid out in a partnership. Basically, it's a contract or a partnership contract or a partnership deed, you may say. And this may include the number of partners that are permitted to join the business, or who are the partners that are joined to form the business, the amount of contribution that is made by each partners, the type of trade they're engaged in, the share and profit laws according to each partner. So basically, the deed state how many persons are in the business or how many partners are in the business, the amount of capital that each person contributed, the type of business they are into, whether it's a service business, they're in the food industry, they're providing a good, and the share of profit and loss. Now, how do they determine the share of profit? If they made a profit, how the profit is shared up or how the loss is shared up? Now, that is totally dependent upon the partner. They might sit down and they might come up with their own way that they can share the profit. They may share the profit according to how many capitals they bring in, or they might share it equally, or whatever way that the partners agree that the profit and loss are shared among themselves. Then there's something called the limited or the silent partner. Sometimes partners may contribute capital to the partnership, but not become involved in the actual running of the business itself. Such partners are referred to as sleeping or silent partner. Now, a silent partner or a sleeping partner, they contribute capital, they put money or invest money into the business, they invest equipment and goods and so forth, but they are not actually involved in running the business because probably they may have the resource but not the management skill, or they do not have the time to run the business, so they leave it up to the management of the business to the other partners. So they are just contributing capital, but they do not actually involve in the management of the business. Now, this has bring us to the end of today's lesson. I hope that you learned something today. Keep doing your own revision, and I will see you in the next class.